Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful earrings. Let's go. I cut this stencil on my Glowforge laser with the intent of putting a foil design over this fabric that I purchased. I picked this fabric up at Michael's. So I'm laying my stencil on the fabric, and I'm preparing to add my gel. The gel is what helps the foil to stick to the fabric. So that's what I'm going to apply now. I'm using a cut up credit card to apply, but you could use a spatula or a brush or whatever you want to use to apply your gel to the stencil and the fabric. Now I need to pull the stencil, separate the stencil from the fabric. And as you can see, I'm struggling here, trying to keep the fabric straight and pull the stencil off. I think that I'm going to recut this stencil and make the swirls smaller. That might help it to be easier to pull off. But anyway, I got it off. Now I need to lay my fabric aside to let the gel dry. The gel is dry now, so I'm going to put this new toner on that I'm using. I'm going to use a pink on this fabric to see how I like it. This is a heat set foil that I'm going to use with my mink machine. It's a machine that you use with hot foil. You can also use an iron or any other heat method. I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper over this to protect it as it goes through the machine. I remove it from the machine and wait a few seconds for it to cool off. I remove my parchment paper, and now it's time for the great reveal. I like it. I like it. Let me know what you think about this. Is this too busy or what? I really like it. Now it's time to make something. I picked up this piece of self-stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree that kind of matched my design. So I'm going to put this on the back of my fabric. After I get this all trimmed down, I'm going to use my shape templates to make a pair of earrings. I have a 10-piece set of acrylic shape templates that you can just use to make different earring shapes. And this is one of my favorite ones. It's a teardrop earring that you'll see in a minute. It's a teardrop hoop. But first I have to trace my design on the back, and I'll cut them out and we'll be almost done. To make the earrings, I fold the fabric in half, put my hole at the top, and insert my ear hook. I forgot to turn the camera on after I got my ear hooks and put them together. So you missed that part. I'm so sorry. And here's the finished product. It's a very lightweight and beautiful earring. These hang about 3 inches long. The template, I have a template that makes 3 inches, and I have a template that makes 2 inches. And then there are 8 other shapes in the shape template set. And there will be a link to my shop to pick these up if you're interested. I really like the way this pattern came out. It's kind of busy, but I don't mind busy. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. It would be great if you could help me with that. And you know the drill. If you like this video, please like, share, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I so appreciate all of the subscribers. I appreciate the people who watch and comment. It really, really helps the channel. All right, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.